I don't want to go to the salon every 4 weeks to get this done. And I want your advice. I'm 65, my career is picking up again here in Dubai. And I don't want to, well, maybe I can go gray. I don't, but then I would like to have it at once and not grow it out, because then it's going to take years for me to grow it out, and I don't like that so much.
You're starting to go light, which is a good step. But the thing is, regardless of how light you go, it's still far away from silver. As long as the gray coverage is 100%, it's going to leave a line.
Okay.
In order to reach a level where the gray blends, because the root's still going to grow, the silver is still going to come within a week or two.
100%.
In order to blend it, going light is just half of the solution. You have to go light and not cover the gray 100%. Means when you finish the color, you should see through the gray a little bit. Now, what happens usually, by the time your roots grow within a month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the color that's done on the day of the visit to the salon is going to start washing out a little bit.
Yeah.
Means when you walk out of the salon and the gray is visible 50% or transparent, by the time it's the next round of coloring, the gray got washed out a little bit, so it's ready to connect with the regrowth.
Okay.
Which means after a few weeks, you will not see a line like this. You're gonna still see a gray, but you're gonna see a gray to a transition area where the gray is a little bit transparent to the area where you have your color.
Okay.
First of all, I have to break the line today. I will do enough amount of lighter strands just to break the line. Then I will come back with the color and I give you 50% gray coverage.
Okay.
It is gonna still feel a little bit awkward because the roots are still small. And the combination that I'm introducing on the roots is not similar to the combination you had through the length.
Okay.
But you stick to this plan for a few months to 6 months, maybe 1 year, till this new combination becomes the dominance combination. When the dominance color takes over, then you're gonna feel like the new way of coloring your root is the right way to do it.
Okay.
And the old way is the wrong way to do it.
Okay.
Because many people, they come for gray blending, then after a month or two, they feel like, oh, but still doesn't look the same. It's not gonna look the same.
No.
The combination here is very different from the combination there.
Yeah.
When I do a gray blending preparation, means I prepare the hair and I get rid of the line, and that's to prepare the hair.
Okay.
Then we enter the gray blending. The gray blending happens time after time after time from visiting the salon till this new combo takes over and you're in a whole new way of coloring your hair.
Okay, that makes sense.
Now, when I'm looking at your hair, I feel like it's a little bit too greenish.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's a bit too harsh on your skin. So I don't know if you feel, I know you like the length, but I want to get your feedback on it. But this is, for me, it's too green. So I would like to take you a little bit warmer. Because the percentage of gray on the top is quite high. We can start coloring next time without highlight. We'll see how light I can take you.
Yeah.
So we'll start coloring without covering the gray much, and we'll stick to it.
Okay.
Only first preparation, there will be an involvement between lightening, treating, and coloring, but the follow-up is only roots touch-up.
Okay.
What I advise usually my clients, not to bother themselves with the inside and the back. The percentage of gray is not that high. You could let it naturally happen.
Grow out, okay.
You could start just touching up the top and the front.
Okay.
And keep doing that for a few years. Of course, that formula will be changed according to how your hair develops. But in a few years, when you look at the back and the side, which is the majority of your hair, it's going to be the natural color.
Okay.
So it's easier for you to transit to something else if you want.
Okay. Great.
Makes sense?
Sounds like a plan. Yeah.
I'll give you the breakdown, the price, and if you're happy, we'll start. You like this plan?
Thank you very much.
I can give you the breakdown.
Sounds like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
you think?
I love it.
Color,
Yeah, absolutely
the
nice.
shade,
Yeah, it's absolutely
no
nice.
green anymore.
No. Yeah, I can see it
that?
shining through. Yeah.
So it got a beigey color,
Silverish.
but you can still see the silver.
Yeah, I
at
like
work.
it. I like it.
But the beauty about it, so the line we tried to soften it as much as possible. It still have tiny bit of reflection, but it's not that obvious.
No,
like
I
before.
like it very much.
So
In 6
what's gonna happen in a few weeks when this is gonna start washing out and it's the time for your next roots touch up? Let's try to push it for 6, 7, and hopefully 8 weeks. Because this is gonna start looking back gray,
Yeah.
and their growth is gray, so they're ready to connect.
Yeah.
What used to happen with you before, the new growth has nothing to do with the previously colored roots.
Exactly.
That's why it leave a line.
Yep.
That's why regardless of how much light you go, that line is still
there.
And that's where the trick when it comes to gray blending with their growth.
Okay.
So we're not taking you gray. We're not keeping you with fully colored. We're just leaving you hanging in between.
Okay. I see.
As well, every time you touch up the roots, it gives a better coverage for the previous roots.
I can see that.
So next time when you touch up the roots,
Yeah.
and they're gonna spread the color a little bit, it's gonna overlap today's roots that's became transparent. So next time roots will increase today's coverage,
Yeah.
while next time roots becomes like
Yeah,
how
yeah.
you walk out
I
of the
can
sun.
see what you mean. Okay.
You see where's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
trick?
yeah. So it
It's-
takes some time, but then
It's no, but every time it
Yeah.
enhances the previous
Exactly,
time. But the
exactly.
freshly done one, it's ready for the future roots.
I see what you mean.
Yeah,
absolutely.
every time you come to the salon, you're enhancing the previous visible roots, but you're preparing your roots for the next.
I can see
coming
what you mean. Yeah, that's
Yeah?
great. That's
So
great.
my job today was prepare all this, get rid of the line, soften the green so it's not too ashier. Because as well, when the hair is not too ashier, it washes out.
Yeah.
Much better. When the hair is slightly warm to neutral, easily can soften.
Okay.
And not counting that's better on your skin. Okay. The treatment did the job. Soften the hair. I did a bit of layering to give you a bit of movement. Yeah, it's beautiful color. The blend is stunning. I mean, literally, the way how the gray just gets out of your roots and ready to connect with the next one. And in the front, look at. Yeah, the wave definitely give you a bit of movement. Stunning.
Yeah, that's wonderful. That's what I came for. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you, darling. You look amazing.
Thank
for
you
your
very
patience
much.
today.
Thank you for your help.
Anytime.
Okay,
Cheers.
thank you.